What we're doing now, or Gian is doing Dune Old World. When we refer to a finish being Old World, it means that we are creating a physical texture with the material at hand. This product is Dune Silver in 2 different colors. The base coat is going to be 8071 and the top coat is Dune 8078. We start off with a board prime with Firenze primer diluted properly, in this case about 50%. Just about all of our products come concentrated where the end user is required to add water. In this way we don't import water, just Firenze primer, and you dilute it yourself. See, Gian is putting on the Dune with a nice motion. Here he goes with a striped, dragging the material. The material is still workable, where he's able to drag it to give it a diagonal kind of strié look. He's allowed that material to dry, and he comes back with the Dune 8078. He applies it. Adds a little more to accent the lines there. And comes back and fills in. He drags his trowel on top. When the finish is done, you'll be able to see the green color popping through the undercoat through to the top, which gives it a very nice look. Now he works it with the same technique that he did with the first coat. Look at that, that's very nice.